What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could completely transform your belly? No gym, no strict diets, no fancy equipment. Imagine standing in front of the mirror just weeks from now, seeing your waistline shrink and your energy levels rise, all because of a routine so short you can do it while your coffee brews. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share isn't a gimmick, it's science-backed, real, and it works. And the best part? It's only 5 minutes a day. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Belly fat isn't just about looks, it's about health, confidence, and how you feel every single day. Many people struggle with stubborn fat around their midsection, trying endless diets, spending hours in the gym, or even skipping meals, yet the results never seem to last. But here's the truth: you don't need extreme measures. What you need is consistency, smart movement, and a plan that fits your real life. Today I'm sharing a powerful 5-minute daily belly fat routine that's simple, beginner-friendly, and works whether you're at home, in your office, or even traveling. These exercises target your core, boost your metabolism, and engage your whole body to burn calories even after you're done. The best part? Just 5 minutes is enough to kickstart change, because what matters is not how long you work out, but how effectively you move. So if you've been telling yourself, "I don't have time to exercise," this is your wake-up call. You have 5 minutes, and those 5 minutes can make the difference between frustration and transformation. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share tips on how to maximize your results without starving yourself or giving up the foods you love. Are you ready? Let's dive into the 10 exercises that will help you lose belly fat fast, naturally, and realistically. Exercise 1. Seated knee tucks. Sit on the edge of a chair or on a mat with your hands gripping the sides for support. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Lift both knees toward your chest, then extend your legs out straight without letting your heels touch the ground. Pull them back and slowly. This is 1 rep. This exercise is perfect for targeting your lower abs, which are one of the hardest areas to flatten. By performing this move slowly and with control, you engage your core muscles more deeply than standard crunches. Avoid swinging your legs or using momentum. Your abs should do all the work. For beginners, keep your knees bent more and move in a shorter range of motion. For advanced levels, try holding your legs fully extended for 1 second before tucking them back in. Aim for 40 seconds of movement, followed by a 20-second rest. Repeat this twice if your schedule allows. Keep breathing throughout. Exhale as you tuck, inhale as you extend. Over time, this move strengthens your entire core, improves your posture, and helps your body burn calories even after your 5-minute workout is done. Exercise 2. Standing crossbody punches. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and fists up near your chin like a boxer. Tighten your core and start punching across your body. Right arm toward your left side, then left arm toward your right side. Twist your torso with each punch, letting your obliques do the work. This exercise not only tones your side abs, but also raises your heart rate, turning it into a mini cardio burst that helps burn belly fat faster. Keep your punches sharp and controlled. Don't just swing your arms. The power comes from your twist, not your shoulders. Do this at a steady pace for 45 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat if you want more burn. For an advanced version, add light dumbbells or water bottles in your hands to increase resistance. This move is great because it mimics real-life movement, twisting, reaching, and engaging your midsection. It's also fun, energizing, and can be done anywhere, even in your living room or office break. Exercise 3. Reverse lunge with twist. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step your right leg back into a reverse lunge. Your front knee should stay over your ankle and your back knee should hover just above the floor. From here, twist your torso toward your front leg, engaging your abs. Return to the center, step forward, and repeat on the other side. This move combines lower body strength training with core rotation, which makes it a triple fat burner. It tones your legs, fires up your glutes, and works your waistline. Twisting activates your obliques and deep core muscles, helping to sculpt your midsection while improving your balance. For beginners, keep the twist small and controlled. For advanced users, hold a water bottle or weight in both hands to intensify the twist. Perform 30 seconds per side, rest for 20 seconds, and repeat once. Reverse lunges are easier on the knees than forward lunges, making this move accessible to most people. Plus, the twisting motion adds a functional element. You're training your body to move better in daily life while burning fat in the process. Exercise 4. Flutter kicks. Lie flat on your back on a mat. Place your hands gently beneath your glutes glutes to support your lower back and keep your legs extended. Lift your heels about 6 to 8 inches off the floor, keeping them straight and together. Now start fluttering your legs up and down in a quick controlled motion like gentle scissor kicks. Keep your head resting on the floor and your shoulders relaxed. The key is to engage your core throughout, pressing your lower back into the mat to avoid arching. Flutter kicks are highly effective for targeting your lower abdominal muscles, which are often the most stubborn area when it comes to belly fat. Unlike traditional sit-ups, this exercise keeps constant tension on your core, increasing calorie burn even in a short time frame. Breathe steadily. Inhale as one leg goes down, exhale as it comes up. Beginners can place a pillow under their hips for extra support, while advanced levels can hover their legs even closer to the floor for added intensity. Perform flutter kicks for 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds, and repeat once if time allows. Each second your legs are moving, your core is working to stabilize your entire body. Over time, this exercise not only burns fat, but also builds endurance in your lower abs, helping you develop a leaner, flatter midsection. Exercise 5. Standing side crunches. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, core engaged, and hands placed lightly behind your head, elbows pointing out to the sides. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you bend your torso sideways, crunching your oblique muscles. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat on the left side. Think of it as a standing version of a bicycle crunch, but with more focus on your waistline and balance. This move specifically targets the obliques and side waist, giving you that tapered, toned appearance many strive for. It's also great for people who don't like floor exercises or have difficulty lying down, making it beginner-friendly and joint-safe. To increase the challenge, try lifting your knee higher and squeezing your side harder at the top of each crunch. For an advanced variation, hold a light dumbbell or water bottle in one hand and reach toward your knee for added resistance. Perform this move for 30 seconds per side, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat twice for a complete set. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Avoid pulling on your neck or dropping your elbow toward your knee without engaging your core. Standing side crunches not only sculpt your waistline, but also improve your posture and stability, which can help make your midsection appear slimmer over time. Exercise 6. Plank with shoulder taps. Start in a high plank position, hands placed directly under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels, and feet hip width apart for balance. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your hips as still as possible. Now lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder, then place it back down. Switch sides, lifting your left hand to tap your right shoulder. Continue alternating in a steady rhythm. The goal is to minimize hip sway. Imagine you're balancing a glass of water on your back. This keeps your core fully engaged and strengthens your deep, stabilizing muscles, not just the surface abs. Perform for 40 seconds followed by a 20-second rest. Beginners can drop to their knees to reduce strain on the wrists and shoulders, while advanced users can bring their feet closer together or speed up the taps for added challenge. This move works your entire core, shoulders and arms, while improving coordination and balance. It's an excellent full-body exercise for belly fat reduction because it combines strength training with calorie-burning isometric hold. Focus on breathing. Inhale as you prepare, exhale as you tap. Keep your neck neutral and avoid looking up. Your gaze should be slightly ahead of your hands. Exercise 7. Squat to side leg lift. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest lifted and core tight. Lower yourself into a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as comfortable. As you rise back up, lift your right leg out to the side, keeping it straight and squeezing your outer glute and oblique. Return to the squat position and repeat on the left side. This compound move targets multiple areas at once: your glutes, thighs, obliques, and deep core muscles. By adding the side leg lift, you activate your waistline while building strength in your lower body, making it a highly efficient calorie-burning exercise. Perform for 40 seconds alternating sides, then rest for 20 seconds. Beginners can keep their squats shallower and lift their legs lower, while advanced users can add ankle weights or hold a dumbbell at the chest for extra resistance. Maintain good form. Keep your knees behind your toes during the squat, your back straight, and your core braced throughout the movement. This exercise not only helps burn belly fat, but also improves hip mobility, balance, and leg strength, essential for everyday activities and a toned appearance. Exercise 8. Seated Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and heels resting on the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight and core engaged. Clasp your hands together or hold a light weight. Twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands beside your hip, then twist to the left. Continue alternating in a controlled manner. For a more advanced version, lift your feet off the floor so your shins are parallel to the ground. This engages your lower abs even more. Keep your movements slow and deliberate. Rushing through the twist reduces the core engagement and can strain your lower back. Perform this for 40 seconds, rest for 20, and repeat once. Focus on your breathing. Exhale as you twist, inhale as you return to center. Russian twists primarily target the obliques and rotational core muscles, which are key for defining the sides of your waistline. They also improve spinal mobility and rotational strength, making daily activities like bending, lifting, and turning easier and safer. Exercise 9. Mountain climbers. Begin in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, body straight, core braced. Drive your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch to the left knee, creating a running motion while keeping your hands planted. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity cardio core exercise that burns a lot of calories in a short time while engaging your abs, shoulders, and legs. Start slow to master form, then gradually pick up the pace. Keep your hips level, avoid bouncing up and down. Perform for 45 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat if time allows. This move is ideal for boosting your heart rate, increasing circulation, and accelerating fat loss around your midsection. Beginners can step each foot forward one at a time, while advanced users can cross their knees toward the opposite elbow for more oblique activation. Exercise 10. Standing hip circles. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, hands on your hips and knees slightly bent. Begin making large controlled circles with your hips, first clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for another 30 seconds. Though it seems simple, this movement engages your entire core, hip flexors, and lower back, while improving blood flow and flexibility in your waist area. It's a gentle fat-burning motion that also serves as a cool-down after the more intense exercises. For added challenge, slightly contract your abs during the circle to keep your core tight. You can also hold a light weight at your chest to increase resistance. Hip circles are particularly useful for people who sit for long periods, as they open up tight hips and stimulate circulation. Over time, this mobility boost supports better posture, reduces bloating appearance, and complements fat loss by keeping your midsection active. And that's it, just 5 minutes of smart, focused movement that can change the way your belly looks and feels. Remember, it's not about doing hundreds of crunches or starving yourself, it's about consistency with the right moves. These 10 exercises are designed to engage your whole core, boost your metabolism, and start burning fat even when you're resting. If you make this a daily habit, you'll start noticing changes not only in your waistline, but in your posture, energy levels, and confidence. Pair this 5-minute workout with staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and eating balanced meals, and you'll accelerate your results without extreme diets or endless workouts. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time to start. The perfect time is now. You have 5 minutes every day, before work, during lunch, or even while watching TV. That's all it takes to build momentum. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next fat-burning routine. Comment below which exercise was your favorite or which one burned the most. Your journey to a healthier, flatter belly starts with a single step, or in this case, a single 5-minute workout. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your body transform one day at a time.